Namaskar friends, I am Dr. Dilbag Singh from Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Central University of Haryana, and today in this lecture we will discuss about the different types of tourism. Here are the definitions of tourism. Tourism is a collection of activities, services and industries which deliver a travel experience comprising transportation, accommodation, eating and drinking establishment, retail shops, entertainment business, and other hospitality services provided for individual or group traveling away from home. The sum of the phenomena and relationship arising from the interaction of tourist, business suppliers, host government, and host communities in the process of attracting and hosting these tourists and other visitors by Macintosh. Here are some of the types of tourism. First one is mass tourism. It is the most recent phenomena of the modern tourism with the infrastructure development of transportation and accommodation facilities. Now the travel agencies focuses more on the holiday packages for a group instead of a individual person. The next one is village and urban tourism. In village tourism, all activities are concerned within village. The concept of flourishing in some of the villages in the state of Haryana, where the stakeholders used to develop sub-rooms for the stay and develop kitchen to cater the food of the tourists. Next one is cultural tourism. It is related to the tours to culturally rich places. As we know that India is very rich country in terms of culture, the stakeholders tries to make the tourists aware about the cultural values of these places. Next one is adventure tourism. It involves three basic components and element of risk, higher level of physical involvement, and specialized skill to participate. For example, river rafting, trekking, bungee jumping, etc. Rishikesh is becoming more popular for adventure tourism these days. Next one is MICE tourism. Big business homes, multinational companies, government, etc. organizes meetings, convention, conferences that make people visit different places and countries. In nowadays, as we all know that India is developing in a more better way. So as a result, a number of international players are investing in a number of sectors in India. So the MICE tourism is becoming more and more popular these days. Ecotourism. This type of tourism is the need of the modern era. This type of tourism is organized in natural environment and the tourists observe man-nature relationship. Next one is recreational tourism. It concerns with recreational activities mostly centralized in big cities, for example, casinos at Las Vegas, nightclub at Bangkok, etc. Next one is health tourism. This type of tourism was in more demand in the late 19th centuries. People visit different places for better health and refreshed mind. Sustainable tourism. The concept emphasizes on public participation. It does deal with the study of carrying capacity of the earth. It also encourages the stakeholders to conserve the resources. Next one is domestic and international tourism. Domestic tourism focuses on earning local currency while international tourism focuses on earning foreign currency. Business and leisure tourism. Business category includes tourists visiting for business purpose, while the travel of holidays are the leisure travelers. Historical tourism. Tourism is also flourishing in the field of historical tourism. Tourists is interested to know how our forefather lived and administrated in the particular era. They visit heritage locations, temples, churches, museums, forts, etc. Medical tourism. India is developing as a medical tourism hub day by day. With the development of infrastructure, people from different parts of the world came to India for the better medical facilities, and in nowadays the medical tourism is flourishing in a number of places of India. Like if we are talking about the NCR area, Gurgaon is really doing a tremendous job in the field of medical tourism. If we are talking about Punjab, in Jalandhar, medical tourism is flourishing in a positive way. So apart from all these type of tourism, India do have a good kind of potential for many more kind of tourism, like pilgrimage tourism, the religious tourism, sports tourism, and many more. So in short, we can say that by knowing all the kind of tourist activities, we came to know about the different forms of tourism, and in the same way we can develop our infrastructure, and the stakeholders can do a better for the development of various tourism kind of activities, and can develop the infrastructure in a particular area. So in short, we can say that India is flourishing in many type of tourism activities and can do a number of better things for the tourism point of view.